All right, guys. So a few of you had asked for my Google Review Outbound. Apologize, I think I sent out the wrong snapshot in an original message to a few of you. So here it is. It looks a lot more complicated than what this is, but I'm going to break this down for you. So the trigger tag, once a contact is, let's say they go through a restaurant, they go through somewhere else, you're going to add a tag. It waits for a day, it sends out a templated SMS. In this case, we were just looking for some feedback with the hook. Would you say, yes, you had a positive experience? The nice thing about that, we wait for a customer reply. It's either going to be positive or negative, right? It's them into a drip campaign if they don't reply. If they do reply, the condition is, hey, did you have a good experience? Did you have a bad experience? Negative experience, let's focus on that first because it's going to be probably the easiest one to go through. It updates the opportunity, puts them into the pipeline stage, lets the owner know, sends out an SMS to the client, says, hey, ouch, sorry, we failed to live up to hope we deliver. In a few words, can you share what's wrong? This then creates in a tag, adds in an SMS notification to the owner who of this profile, lets them know, XYZ had a bad experience. This is a great time to get in front of it. Don't let your reputation get tarnished by a bad review. It allows owners to actually get right in front of the 8-ball. Super intuitive for business owners. They'll totally appreciate and understand that. Going back into the positive workflow. So now it creates an opportunity, lets them know, great. Hey, on a scale of 1 to 5, how did we do? I've got a listener in here. So on a scale of 1 to 5, 1, 2, or 3, I would equate that to a negative experience, a bad experience. That loops over to a negative workflow, picks that up, comes back. Let's say it's a 4 or a 5. Great. It goes into either a 4 workflow or a 5 workflow. Both of those, great experiences. Ask them how they did, any feedback. Let's say if it's positive, yes or no, negative, no, it goes back into this workflow, carries through. If there's no reply, we put them in a small drip campaign and away you go. So if you do feel that this is a lot, it's actually quite easy. What I've integrated is I've integrated into a tag where it actually adds in a AI assistant that then sends out the link. And I've got a completely other different automated workflow for a few of my clients. But this is a great way to kind of get your head wrapped around workflow. If this makes sense, awesome. If you have any questions, just, let me know.